As we all know, in the gaming community, Tencent pretty much owns everything. And they're after starting a streaming platform called Trovo, which basically looks like a clean cut copy from Twitch. Instead, it's green instead of purple. I've been contemplating if I'm going to stream on it or not, and I am. I'm gonna give it a fair go. You know, I'm not just gonna say, oh, it's this, that, and the other thing. Tencent is this, that, and the other thing. But it is a fair point, to be fair. If we look over here on the screen, for example, we can see that Tencent own everything. They own League of Legends, they own Riot Games. They have 5% stake in Activision. Like, if that doesn't tell you about Tencent, I don't know what will. But this is their platform, as we can see here. And I did spend a little bit of time on it last night, you know, just watching a few random people's. One thing I will say is that they are a lot of non-English speaking streamers. I believe that's not going to be very great for discoverability for English streamers, seeing as they're not pushing English streamers. Then again, English, Spanish. I wish that there was a way to say that this is the language I speak and understand. This man is literally just pure smoking a fag. The front of Trovo with 500 viewers. Gang. What a man. I wish there was a way to say, to at least specify it. It's great to have other languages on platforms, you know, like it really opens you up for a more international space. Tencent is not an English speaking company. Why should they prioritize English? What I'm saying is that I don't understand these languages. Why are you forcing them at me? If they could have a way to say this is the language that I understand, and then you can say, well, don't show me any other languages, or I understand this language and this language. You know, I feel that they could do a lot more in that space, but at the minute it's just a bit all over the place, like Croatian, Serbian. I don't speak these fucking languages. Serbo-Croatian. If there was a way to specify what languages I understand and who to watch, you know, this might actually take off. I was talking to a few people. There's actually one live right now. Cybergrinder, go check him out if you do like to watch people on Trovo. And I was talking to him basically about why he chooses Trovo over Twitch, and his exact words to me was just discoverability. It's just impossible to get found on Twitch right now, which is straight fire. Like, you know, like 90% of my chat are people I probably know, like IRL, or hang out in Discord with and whatever, and to actually find new people, it's quite hard, you know. I play a lot of games that like aren't at the top, so like if people are looking for a specific game, they will come across me. But you're not just going to scroll and find me on Twitch. You're not going to scroll and find most people on Twitch. And that's where something small like Trovo can actually come in and help you, you know? Like the big thing that all the Twitch YouTubers tell you, like Harris Heller and Epos Fox and everyone like that, they tell you that you need to make content for other platforms and bring them in. You know, it's like, I've been trying to do that. I've been actually really, really struggling to do that. As you can tell with this YouTube, I've been trying just to find something to make content on. I'm just struggling. Like not all of us can do stuff like that. We just want to focus on the stream, you know. And it's a very valid point, and that's where like streaming onto different platforms like Trovo would be great. I have tried streaming on YouTube Gaming. I didn't really like it, I won't lie. Like, it was cool that the VOD stayed up there and stuff like that, but I don't know, it's just not really made for it. Not a whole lot of people use it, I think. It's just, it's not ideal. It's really like a half-baked idea still at the minute, like a year, 2 years after announcing it. They haven't really pushed for it. And what Trovo are actually doing as well. So if you, there's a thing called Trovo 500. I'm going to get it up here. So here it is here. So basically what Tencent are actually doing. So Trovo's initial partner program will be starting July 2020. The Trovo 500 program will be rewarding streamers small or large at a total of 30 million until the end of 2021. So $30 million over the course of 18 months. Basically what they're doing is they're paying streamers to stream on Trovo, and without having to rely your whole chat's income, because that's how you make money on Twitch. Like, yeah, there's a small bit of money in advertising, but you know, you're really just hoping for the subs and the donos and the bits, whereas what Trovo are doing here is that they are just paying you with the amount of view times that you have. Now, they do have only a specific number of them that they will do, but it is still possible for anyone to get it. So if you have over 50 plus followers and accumulated a minimum amount of watch hours to be placed in the silver group tier or higher, you're welcome to submit an application. So with that, so the watch hour targets will be 400, 600, 1200, 2700 and 4200. So if you can reach silver, it's like 400 watch hours. Let me even actually just open up my Twitch dashboard right now. I want to see, like, I can see here about like live views and revenue and stuff like that, but I don't actually see the whole watch hours. I don't even know if that's even a thing on Twitch. But like, from my understanding, that like if you have some sort of a following, like this should not be a hard goal to reach. So that's what I'm actually going to try set out to do. I'm going to do at least one stream a week on Trovo. I'm going to see how it goes, and I'm going to report back to you. This is basically just a video to let you know kind of this is the whole plan and the game plan and everything like that. We're going to see what it actually means to stream on Trovo. If you want to hang around and wait for my results to come back, I feel free to hit the subscribe button. If not, my Trovo link and my Twitch links will be in the description down below, so you can come and hang out with me and ask me about the journey. I can't wait to kind of start the journey. See how it goes. But anyway, guys, I have been T3 Maverick. Thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. We'll see you boys in the next one. Yeah.